Hey, what's up guys, and welcome back to my another video and this new playlist. So in this playlist we're going to learn Python from basic to advanced, full tutorial, and this is going to be really easy and you will not expect that you would learn Python in this simple way. So my name is Priyanshu and you're watching PC Programmer, so let's begin. So the first question you're in your mind, it would come that what is Python? So Python is a popular programming language. So Python is really popular. Many applications use this language to develop themselves, and this was created by Guido van Rossum, and it was released in 1991. Okay, so in year 1991, it was released by Guido van Rossum. Its development would have been started in 1988 or 1989. I'm not sure for that, so if I'm providing wrong information, I'm really sorry for that. You may check it in the web. So Python is basically used for web development, software development, mathematics, and system scripting. So Python is a really useful language. Basically, it can do anything you want. Uh, so now the question that you were thinking that what Python can do. So it could create web applications and it could be used to create workflows, and Python can connect database systems. And if you don't know about database system, we're going to learn about it uh, in our further tutorials in this playlist. So Python can also be handled. Python can also handle big data and perform complex mathematics calculations. Okay, and it's used for rapid prototyping, production ready software development. So these terms are new to you, but by following this tutorial, I will give you. I'm just guaranteeing you that you will be you will it will be really easy to understand in this tutorial these big terms or these new terms that you are introduced with. Okay, so why I'm teaching you Python. We could even learn Java, C++, or anything. So basically, if you're new to programming and if you want to learn any programming language which is simple and you can learn it in like 1 month or like 2 months or 1.5 months, it depends on your dedication. If you're starting right now and you will be on time every day, I'm going to upload a new video in this channel for this tutorial, so you could just learn it in 1 month or 2 months. Okay, I'm guaranteeing you that you would learn this programming language really easily. Okay, so we are just learning Python because this Python works in all platforms. For example, Windows, Mac, Linux, Raspberry Pi. So Windows, if you're having Windows machine, if you're having Windows 7, Windows 8.1, Windows 10, Windows 11, or anything, it may work in Windows. And if you're having Mac OS like I'm having, so it will also work in Mac OS, High Sierra, Big Sur, Monterey, Ventura, and whatever Mac OS we are having. And Linux, if you're having Ubuntu, Kali Linux, or anything, it may work in Linux also. Raspberry Pi and etc. Raspberry Pi was an operating system which is created for like learning development. So Raspberry Pi is like an operating system which was created so that people could learn to code. Okay, and Python has a simple syntax similar to English language. If you would see that Python if you would see a Python code, you may just you may just like think that you may just sorry for that you may just think that this Python syntax is really similar to English language. Okay, so if you see a Python code and in the another side you see its translation to English, it may seem really easy to understand. Okay, so Python is really simple, and Python has a syntax that allows developer to write programs with fewer lines that are compared to some other programming language. So the basic explanation to this line is like, if you have written a code, any topic in another language like C++, C, or Java, it has been done in 15 lines. It could be done in Python in 2 or 3 lines. Yes guys, it's really simple in Python to do complex things in just really simple manner, really less lines. Okay, so Python is a time saving programming language, definitely. So you can use Python by downloading Python in your machine. You may go to this Python, you may search for Python download, and you may go to this www.python.org and you may download it from here. The latest version is Python 3.12, I guess, definitely. um yes, you're having 3.12. Okay, so you could download a Python 3.12 or 3.11, anything, you may just choose it. And um, and after downloading that, your pip will be also installed. If you are in Windows, make sure when you install your Python, you may just tick the checkbox over there, which you get add Python to environmental variables. And if you're in Mac, you can install it using Homebrew also. Like, if you go to your terminal, if you go to your terminal, and you may just go to this brew, you may just run this brew command. You may search brew in your Google and you may just run this command. Your Homebrew will be installed. Okay, so I've already installed Homebrew, and after that you can just run brew install Python. You may get different tutorials in YouTube, so you can search for that. If you want me to make a tutorial for you in this topic, you may just comment down in the comment section. So we have known that what is Python, why it is used, when it was made, and why we have to learn Python and what it can do. So in our next video we're going to learn basic syntax and basic functions of Python, and from basics we are going to go to advanced, and in the end of this tutorial you can make your own application, really high class application, high class websites. So make sure that you continue with this playlist and subscribe to my channel with your good hands, and like this video and share this to your friends and family so programming so they can also learn programming. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day. Goodbye.